Hello guys, welcome back with my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to open Telegram without phone number. So guys, if you want to log in or sign in your Telegram without phone number, so guys, now you can see here, now I am going to open my Telegram without phone number. So guys, simply first of all, you need to go back, and guys, first of all, you need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. And guys, after this you need to open an internet browser, and guys, here you need to search temp phone number. So guys, simply you need to search this in your Google Chrome, and guys, you need to open this one website, that is temp number. So guys, simply you need to open this website in your Android phone or iPhone, and guys, you will find this type of interface. So guys, simply you need to select any country from here. So guys, for example, I want to copy this country, that is United Kingdom. Simply you need to select your country, and guys, after selecting country, you need to scroll it down, and guys, you need to click on any number that you want to use on Telegram. So guys, for example, I want to use this one. Simply you need to open your number, and guys, after this you need to copy this number from here. Simply you need to click on copy, and guys, you need to open your Telegram, and guys, paste here your number, and guys, from here you need to select your country of your phone number. So guys, I have pasted my United States or United Kingdom phone number. Simply you need to click on this tab, and guys, after this you need to, as you can see here, so guys, after doing this, simply you need to click on start button, and guys, after this you will find an OTP on your this website. As you can see, simply you will receive an OTP in this tab, as you can see. So guys, simply you need to copy that OTP from here, and guys, after paste, you need to paste here your OTP, and guys, after this your account will be open without any phone number. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.